Hi there, welcome to problem 9 of the Essentials playlist. This is Soman and you're watching the Genesis YouTube channel. Today's problem is a past KVPY question from 2012 SX paper and it involves ideas from polarization and Malus's law. The problem goes like this. An unpolarized beam of light of intensity I0 passes through two linear polarizers making an angle of 30 degrees with respect to each other. The emergent beam will have an intensity. 4 options are given to us. Now I suggest that you pause the video and try to do it on your own. This is an easy question, but it is very common for students to go wrong in this question, so be careful. We now go ahead with the solution. It is a standard result that whenever unpolarized light passes through the polarizer, the intensity of the beam becomes half. Hence, the first polarizer will make the intensity I0 by 2 and this light passes through the second. Now we can apply Malus's law because Malus's law is only for polarized light passing through a polarizer. From Malus's law, we therefore get the final intensity as I is equal to I0 by 2 cos square theta. So I0 by 2 into theta is 30 degrees, so 3 by 4, that gives an answer of 3 I0 by 8 and therefore the answer is C. This is a simple problem, but students often make the mistake of blindly applying Malus's law twice, giving an answer of I0 cos power 4 theta. I hope you understand clearly the conditions in which Malus's law can be applied. Keep watching the Essentials playlist for more such problems that every physics problem solver must do. JEE aspirants can also watch the Solutions to JEE Advanced 2020 playlist. We also have a playlist called Problem Corner, in which we discuss unique problems with ingenious solutions. The links to these playlists are given in the description below. And finally, if you like the content, like, subscribe, and share widely amongst your friends. Till the next video, stay safe and stay healthy you all.